If you ever wanted to use AI in fintech but got blocked by compliance, I think this one is for you. Payment companies need to ask AI which merchants are riskiest, but merchant data contains emails, bank accounts, and personal information. Also, another example is that banks want AI-driven customer analytics, but customer data is loaded with credit cards, social security numbers, and addresses. So many personal information, and you cannot send this to OpenAI without violating GDPR. But you also can't ignore AI and lose competitive advantage, so what you do? In Upsonic, we have safety engine. This is perfect for protecting your data. It controls what's in and out. Let's see this on the workflow. We have traditional approach without safety engine. There you go. We can see user shares sensitive information, then it goes to large language model. Bam, real PII exposed. On the other hand, we have another approach which uses safety engine to protect the data. It detects, as soon as it detects, it anonymizes the data, then replaced with the fake version. Dummy values go to a large language model, then after the generation, we de-anonymize, and then user receives but never reaches the third parties. Perfect. Let's see this on the example in more detail. Okay, there is email and phone number. Agent with safety engine takes it and then checks if there is any PII. Yes, PII found. Then check for the confidence. And there is high confidence because it's email and phone number. Then we anonymize it. Here. We put them in the transformation map. We keep the real versions and then replace with the dummy. Then large language model gets this version, and then we put the real versions. Let's see this on the code. Here we go. It's so simple, yet so powerful. We have the library here. We only imported from the policies. This is a pre-built in policy. So you edit here user policy. Then we have task and agent do task. Let's run it. Because we put debug through here, we can see what's going on under the hood. Perfect. You can see that safety policy triggered because it detects some PII. Yes. You can see we exchanged the values here. So model never exposed with the real version. Then here you go. We get what we gave, but safety engine control what's in and out without violating the GDPR. It's perfect for any AI application for finance. So you can use it without worrying about getting fined.